Hello, I'm Stephanie QUINE with the weekly Law Report. Here are our top stories this week. The head of People and Development at Minter Ellison believes timesheets can't be blamed for high rates of depression among lawyers. Katie McDonald spoke to Lawyers Weekly ahead of Mental Health Week, which starts next week. She argued accountants, engineers and lots of others record their time, and that it's too simplistic to point the finger at timesheets and the long hours lawyers work as an explanation for exceedingly high rates of depression in the law. McDonald is speaking at the Healthy Mind, Healthy Bottom Line lunch in Sydney next week. 1 in 5 legal professionals say they would turn down a job if they were barred from social media at work. A Hays online questionnaire of more than 870 employers and candidates found almost 20% of employees would reject a job if the Facebook and social media policy was inadequate. Employers seem to agree. 44% said allowing social media access would improve employee retention levels. Despite this, 23% allow no social media access at work, while 43% allow only limited access. A federal court case that has seen more than $28 million paid in legal fees may have set a precedent for similar class actions. Last week, 3 New South Wales councils won a case against the now defunct investment bank Lehman Brothers Australia. The judgment could have ramifications for financial service providers in Australia. Globally, it's the first of its kind ruling on misleading and deceptive conduct by an investment bank. Amanda Banton, who acted for the councils, said there are other instances of Australian banks being involved in the sale of collateralised debt obligations to councils. Collateralised debt obligations are highly risky financial derivatives that went sour during the GFC. Ashurst Senior Associate Mark McKechnie has taken out the National Golden Gavel competition in Adelaide. McKechnie spoke last week on the topic of "I withdraw that, Your Honour, 5 words every lawyer should know and why." He took the slant that lawyers have the ability to withdraw a mistake or an embarrassing submission so that the court has to pretend it never happened. That power, he said, is effectively a Jedi mind trick. McKechnie qualified for the National Golden Gavel by winning the Queensland arm of the competition earlier this year. On that occasion, he got dressed as Bear Grylls to tackle the topic of Man vs Wild Client, the Bear Grylls Guide to Law. Those are our top stories this week. I hope you enjoyed, and you can find more details on those at our website. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and join discussions on LinkedIn. I'm Stephanie QUINE. Thanks for watching.